What up, everybody? Welcome back to the Knott Network channel. We are, if you could hear by the sounds of Ghost Rider, back at Knott's Berry Farm. I'm Tim, this is Mary. We are here to take it easy and slow and update you on anything we can see going on new around the park and fresh, and to get on Ghost Rider because we didn't get to ride it last time. I know we went through it, but we really didn't. Our friend showed up and then we left the line, so enjoy our trip today, or adventure actually. Bye. Today is a much nicer day today as far as crowds go. The weather hasn't cleared up yet, but it's supposed to a little later, like 11 or 12. But today the crowds is way less than it was like last Thursday. This time we go on Ghost Rider. Woo! In we go. Our first wooden roller coaster of the year. Whee! That's gonna be fun. What a fun ride, that Ghost Rider. Woo! My eyes are all wet and watery. Always happens with me. Ooh, on-ride photo is actually open. Decorating going on, getting ready for the 100th anniversary. It's such a beautiful day at the farm. Nobody is here. I mean, there's people here, but you know, there's not a ton of people, which is really nice. This is how we like the farm. I mean, we like it busy, but we like it like this too. Oh yeah, let's get a closer look at that new tombstone they added here a while ago. Oh, Mary's in the coffin. Mary. You know what's the only thing that's funny about nobody being here? Like every single staff member stares at us. It's hilarious. So part of the 100th anniversary, this is a Haunted Shack inspired photo op. How cool is that? Now me, I don't remember the Haunted Shack, nor if I ever went through it. To my knowledge, it was an upcharge system, so I'm pretty sure that's probably why I never experienced it. on Pony Express next. Look at the pretty flowers. They match the purple color scheme going on for the 100th anniversary. Look at Wheeler Dealer's back. I hope some of you had the opportunity to eat under here. They used to build haunt mazes under here a lot. It's not too busy today, so we don't need to wait in there.
Hey guys, I hear this is a very fun ride. Ah!
You're funny. Do that.
Hey guys, there's this cool song that's playing, the Knott's Berry Tales song, the Knott's Berry song. Yeah, I'm gonna insert a throwback clip right here of the Ghost Town Miners performing this song, and it's so much fun. I love this song so much. It's so cute.
Take a moment just to tell you about our town. Well, we think it's one of the world's best spots. A lovely place called Ghost Town, Knott. Honestly, we're glad you've come on down. Sing it, boys. Welcome one and all. You're gonna have a ball. Things are very fine. Riding on that old Knott's Berry line.
Ooh, that's like one of my favorite noises. It's the same motor sound for X2. Berry Tales. It smells so good over here. All the arcade games are running today. They're getting them primed and ready. Who knows when the arcade will open back up. We're getting this for our cup. The Boysenberry Festival 100th anniversary cozy. And then I'm getting the 100th anniversary hat. I need some new headgear for Knott's.
And trying this boysenberry Danish that I got from over here at the Charleston Circle Coffee. Oh,
yeah, we're gonna go on hang time now. I got a new hat. Look, I got it. I couldn't resist. So check this out. No line again. Yay! We're getting on hang time. Just rode hang time. We're gonna go for Coast Rider. New banners. We just got off Coast Rider. Now we're gonna make our way to Accelerator. I think this time we can handle it. Yeah, I think our stomachs can handle it this time. And then let's see what kind of Scary Farm stuff is going on back there. If it's even Scary Farm, right? The gut punching ride. Always feel it in the gut. Yeah, this is restricted, meaning don't hop this fence. Let's take a peeky of what's going on over here. Wood and a black wall. and stuff. Is it Scary Farm? Ooh, moving headlights. I like those things. Those things are cool. Anyways, is it Scary Farm or is it something else? We don't know. Mary. Which train are we gonna get on? We're probably gonna get on the purple train. Purple for Boysenberry. There's only 2 people on it. Oh, 3. Correction. 3 people. Here is another photo op. This looks to like it's gonna be the soapbox racers. Soapbox derby racers. Here goes the accelerator. We just got off that. Woo! Such a fun ride. How was Accelerator, Mary?
It was great.
Yeah. Ah, Silver Bullet goodness. We might try to go on that on the way out. We're making our way towards Jaguar. Mary didn't get to go on it last time. It's her favorite. One of her favorites. Where is she? There she is.
All the rides are my favorite.
All the rides are her favorite. All the flowers are themed to the 100th anniversary. Like purple and white and like very light pink. Whoa. There's hoops in there. Now, I believe this is the line for Jaguar. Oof, where's the entrance over here? Okay. All right, thank you. Woo, 2 hours, yeah.
I see. Go ahead and go to
6, gotcha. Go on Revolution?
Yeah.
La Revolution, La Revolution. Oh, it's another one of Mary's favorite rides. Whee! Going on Montezuma's Revenge. Yeah, it's one of my favorites here too. Oh, it's about to go.
There's Tim going on the Montezuma's.
Came through. Soul Spin is operating. Lunchtime. Fireman's Barbecue Grill. Num nums. So over here, Pony Express's launch area There used to be an open fence here, like the one down there to the far right, but now it's a solid wall. So if you want to see those cool things now that have been done behind this wall, you gotta ride the train. I have no idea when they've done this because it could have been during Taste of Boysenberry Festival. It definitely wasn't here a year ago.
Well, howdy there.
Howdy.
So good to see you guys. Welcome back.
Good to see you.
What you been up to so far?
Causing trouble.
Causing trouble. That's what I'm talking about. You know, the only thing you're missing, I think, might just be a little bit of Mother Murphy's Magic Boysenberry Elixir. You know, this stuff, it's good for what ails you. It's good for your gout, your spout, your teeth falling out, your aches, your pains, your strains, your grains, your clogged drains. This is good for your lumbago, your rutabaga, and your winnebago. And I tell you what, if you guys want proof, the proof is in the pudding. There's 120 proof in every single bottle. This is medically considered flammable.
Oh, wow.
But it's so good.
I like to
it
be
cures
a
what
photo.
ails you. Yeah. And if it doesn't cure it, you forget about it pretty quick. It's still, I've been trying to sell this bottle all day, but nobody wants to buy it. I don't know why. Smooth like a spoonful of gravel. So good. So exfoliating for the windpipe.
So we are in line for Snoopy. We miss our pal Snoopy. Snoopy! Hi! Hi Snoopy! Wave, yeah! Together again, how cute. Someone turned him into a chin diaper. Bears don't have chins. It is now 2 o'clock. And the guests are still coming in. Boysenberry chocolate raspberry coffee. Boysenberry Irish cream coffee. Ooh, boysenberry honey. Boysenberry everything. This is totally the coffee lovers section right here. Zoom out. Yeah. There's been a beautification project / something going on over here for the KBF staff buildings. Okay guys, we are done for the day. We spent a good 4 or 5 hours here. We got on a lot more rides. This is exactly a week after our first visit back with all the rides back open. Operations were a lot smoother today.
Yes.
The best thing I would suggest is come here early. I mean, at least if you can get your reservation early, that's also a thing. Because really, it's not bad until we've noticed more, you know, as the day goes on, more and more people show up because of the different times and every slots like that. So just try to get your reservation here early if you can, and that's the best bet. because we did like a good, I don't know, dozen rides.
Yeah.
And mainly the rides that we didn't go on last time. So, but yeah, it was a good day. Okay guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, follow us on Instagram so you can get like our BTS of our vlogging activities, and then also still updates.
Thank you to all the employees we ran into today. Thank you to Snoopy and all of our friends for making today wonderful.
Yeah, and a huge shout out to our Patreon supporters, Tom and Albert. You guys want to support the channel? Check out our Patreon at Knott's Network on patreon.com. Thank you. Until next time, guys, our next theme park visit will actually be coming back here exactly in a week from today to get a preview of the 100th anniversary. So be sure you hit that bell button to get notified whenever we post new videos. Thanks guys for watching Knott's Network. I'm Tim.
And I'm Mary.
Peace.